Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the Range Protocol. This is a possible airdrop at DeFi strategies. This is a liquidity manager protocol and a very interesting project. So we are going to cover what is Range and exactly what you need to do in order to participate in this possible airdrop. We go like always in my videos step by step and covering a little about the project and the state of the project. So if you are here for airdrops, this is a possible airdrop, and actually there are some giveaways. It's not much money, but you can participate on some giveaways from Range Protocol right now on Galaxy. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Range Protocol will be an infrastructure for active liquidity managers to manage liquidity for passive liquidity pools on top of active liquidity management DXs like Uniswap version 3. Also could be PancakeSwap and many other protocols. Liquidity providers with different risk profiles can earn passive yield, while active liquidity managers can build strategy on top of DXs like Uniswap. Range Protocol doesn't have an own token yet, but has confirmed to launch an own token called RNG in the future, and early users who provide liquidity may get an airdrop when they launch their token. Remember, this is speculation, there's nothing confirmed here, but this kind of project, maybe if you interact before they launch the token, they could do an airdrop. I really like the technological part of this project. It's a new layer above liquidity pools with this concept of active liquidity managers. I'm going to put the links on the post for the different documentation stuff if you really want to understand it. But rangeprotocol.com is the website that you are going to find from here all the different links for the official social media and the Medium page. But it's going to be easy for you to understand after you see this how the protocol works and what we can expect of this. And here on the roadmap section you can see the Range RNG token generation event is going to be in Q3 of 2023. So if we are expecting and speculating in a possible airdrop, we already know that it's going to be around that date. Also, another thing to comment is that in July 10 there was this news on Cointelegraph about this DeFi platform. So you can see this is presented by Range Protocol, and if this is a paid review, I need to tell you that I know that this kind of review on Cointelegraph could cost like $10,000 or $20,000 just for this post. So they seem to have some money if actually they pay for this. And like I say, all these links to understand how this Range Protocol works are going to be in the post. In terms of Twitter account, you can see 14,000 followers, a community that is being built, but this project is actually new. They joined here in February of 2023. In terms of the legitimacy of the project or not, I think they are legit. Of course, always do your own research, but you can see how they have been in Paris on this Ethereum community conference. So yeah, you can see team members participate on this important conference. You will not usually see scam projects members going there and publicly mention about the project around there. So going to the step by step of this possible airdrop tutorial, step 1 and 2, follow them on Twitter and Discord so you don't miss any of the news. Step 3, you can go directly and visit the Range Protocol page. So you go here to the page and go to the vault. Then step 4 is you connect your Ethereum, BSC, Polygon or Arbitrum wallet there. Step 5, you now can select the vault and provide liquidity. And step 6, try to provide liquidity on multiple vaults and on multiple chains. So here you have the app. You can connect your wallet. Let's say I connect with Arbitrum. I will connect my MetaMask, and for Arbitrum you can see the vault that we have active is this Wrap Ethereum and Arbitrum. Here you have all the information on this vault, so you can go and join to this, and you can add liquidity and remove liquidity here. Probably in terms of a strategy, I would say just add liquidity, leave it a couple of days, and then you can remove it and move your funds out of the vault. And I would say that you can also leave a little amount of money just in case in one of the vaults. just in case of a possible criteria is that you have an active liquidity on any of the vaults. Yeah, try to not risk too much money on this because we really don't know, and this is a possible airdrop. It's not confirmed either, but it's really easy to apply if you are trying to do some DeFi strategy even to get some extra money. You may want to apply to this. So here in step 8 you have the project info if you want to read more about the project, and step 9 is that follow them on Twitter because they do some giveaways. I think they already did 2 or 3, so you can check the Twitter for their airdrops on Galaxy. It's not much money, but it's easy to do. For example, here you can go to the Twitter post of this giveaway. It's going to send you here, and you can see this is a 300 USDC giveaway, and this is from July 14 to July 21. And here you have the join link to the Galaxy. So when you enter here, you can see there are 400 people applying to this, and here you can see and read how you can participate. But basically you will need to do some Twitter stuff, Discord stuff, nothing that you can not do really quick. So get points on this and maybe you can participate on this 300 giveaway. I think this is the second or third that they do, and if you want you can participate on this too. So not much more to comment about this possible airdrop. I really like this concept of active liquidity managers and what they trying to achieve. I think that is important for DeFi. Sometimes it's really hard to find a good strategy, a good pool where you want to participate. So I think this protocol could have some traction, and we hope they do some kind of airdrop if you participate on the protocol. Guys, that will be all for this project, Range Protocol Airdrop, a possible airdrop on DeFi strategies. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.